Awesome. We're a white label family banking platform. And today you're going to jump in a little bit of my family, because what you're seeing is my real accounts for my daughter that are all hosted on this core of this financial institution. So the financial institution owns a deposit relationship. It's their debit card that's in the pocket of my daughter and my family. And as a parent, it's so important because I'm watching my daughter learn by doing how to manage a checking account. As you can see, she moves some money to savings. She babysits. So she got this card connected to her Venmo. So when she babysits, she gets paid and then she pushes money down here. And as you can see, she's making a lot of transactions. She's on average spends about 1 debit card transactions a day. And when I'm the one giving her money, it shows it's from dad. What's it for? Allowance. Sometimes, not always, but I have to probably scroll a while to get there. When I give her money, she likes my transaction. You know, for those of you who are teenage parents, you know, when the kids are grateful, it doesn't happen often, but when it does, it feels special. So as a parent, I'll take it. But what's most important, right, for the credit union, for the bank, we are providing a way to engage the whole family. The parents are engaged because they check in what the kids are doing. And the kids, all they want is money. All they want is have their own debit card. And they get it, and the parents supervise it. So my daughter learned by doing managing checking account. Of course, functionality like savings goals and chores, for example, I assigned the chores as a parent. So all of that is engaged on top of the core of the financial institution. So she completed American Banker's demo. Woohoo, Valeria, you rock. I'm going to approve this chore. Yay, your money went through. So as I kept back up here, money instantly rolled up to her account. And of course, oftentimes she requests money from me. So in this case, if you see at the bottom of the screen, she requested $100 for H&M before we went to Spain. She bought stuff for her sister, birthday and trip. So I'm going to have approved this. Yay, transfer went through. All of this happens on your core. There's no payment trails. Money never leaves the financial institution. And what's super important for the families especially is instant availability of the funds. So as you can see, is the kids are learning. They learn by doing how to manage checking account, how to do savings goals, how to do chores. And as a parent, it's also our responsibility to teach them about money. But it's so hard to do. And I have my master's degrees and everything, and I thought it would be easy. I thought I'm the one who prepared to do it. I tried to teach my kids about money, and I got humbled really fast. So because of that, we created financial education that doesn't feel like education. Let's watch it together.
Did you just get your first paycheck and have big plans to save for that dream Nintendo Switch?
That's me!
Then why not treat yourself to a mini popcorn helmet for $9.99?
How convenient!
And don't miss the LED disco water bottle for just $20.50.
Ooh, it lights up?
And of course, the hamster hoodie. Perfect for any hamster.
I don't even own a hamster. Whatever. Wait a minute. I just impulse spent my entire paycheck.
Have you or a loved one fallen victim to impulse spending?
Yes, that's me.
I know I have. Mugs. Impulse purchases are unplanned, emotional, and they sneak up on your savings. One small purchase at a time, they pull you away from your spending goals.
Okay, I think I've learned my lesson.
Hamsters! Only $45. Buy now! Nope, not gonna do it.
Does it feel like your grandpa's bank? And as a bank or credit union, you can upload your own videos in this. And again, it can feel like education, right? Kids don't want to learn from us as adults. We know they need to, but they don't want to learn. This comes across as TikTok-style videos managed by your bank or credit union. And another part that's super important is to teach them how loans work. To be a great member of our society, for kids to understand how money works, for them to become the customer of your bank that's really understand how money works, they need to learn about the loans, but it's hard to do. So Functionality like loan from parent. Valeria broke her iPhone, but her new iPhone 17. But I set it up like, honey, got to have a skin in the game. 12 months loan, 12% interest rate, and even $1 late fee. Again, it's not about the dollars for me. It's important that she learns the discipline of paying the loan back. She's learning the benefit of a loan. She's got her iPhone, checking, taking pictures and photos and everything, Instagram post, but she's also learning the weight of the loan. She's learning what it feels like to have that monthly payment months after months after months after months. And again, I can tell her about late fees. She will not remember. When she experiences it, she learns. When she sees the interest and principal, she said, Dad, this is unfair. Great. This is how life is. So she's learning by doing, and that's super important. But let's switch from the parent mode to the banker mode. As a bank or the credit union, yes, you're gaining the new generations. You're gaining the parents who are adults, 35 and 55-year-olds. You're gaining their kids, so it's all great. You also need to generate healthy revenue. And expanding your product portfolio inside the family is really hard. So we created marketing stories that shows up to the parent based on the age of a child. So auto loan is a great example of that, right? What you can see is that is an Instagram story-like experience that your marketing team can promote to the parents that, hey, our customers save $300 a year on our auto loans. Don't go to the dealer unprepared, be prepared. And we guide those parents to your loan origination system where they can apply for your auto loan. So we turn in family milestones to marketing opportunities to expand your product portfolio. So at the end, today, yes, I am a CEO of a fintech, but I'm also a father. I'm watching my daughter gain confidence, and she's learning and practicing managing money. As a bank, as a credit union, you're already serving your communities, helping them with autos, loans, and homes. But my mission in life is to eliminate fear and ignite hope. And as a bank, you can serve that your families, help them get hope by learning how to manage money, both for kids and the parents. Thanks very much. Our booth is right there if you want to talk to us more. Thank you.